Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create Visualforce page in Salesforce developer account. So make sure to log into your Salesforce developer dashboard, and here on right hand side you have this engine icon. Click on that, and from here you can click on developer console. Now it will take you to developer console, which looks like an IDE where you can create Visualforce components, pages, and also Apex classes. So go to the file, then click on new, click on Visualforce page. Here you have to give some name to it. So let's say I give it name DVF. Okay, that creates a new Apex page. Okay, as you can see, the starting and ending tag shows Apex page. Okay, now here I'm just going to simply add one h2 tag, and let's write in Salesforce. Okay, so this is basically our h2 tag content. You can also add some paragraph if you want. Okay, so let's say if I want to add Salesforce developer Visualforce content. Okay, after that we can simply save the file, Ctrl S. Okay, now this was basic for you to see how to create Visualforce page. Okay, similarly we will also take a look at how you can create section components. Okay, you can also preview this by simply tapping on that. As you can see, your Visualforce console has this preview button. Okay, once you tap on that, it should open new tab in another window, and here you see your h2 content, also the paragraph content. So if you can see this, that means you have created Visualforce page successfully and also learn how to preview that page.